Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get back this PC desktop icon. Okay, so as you can see that this PC desktop icon is missing, so I'm going to show you how we can get back. Okay, so you just need to right click on the desktop and click on this personalize, and click on this themes, and click on this desktop icon settings, and here we have this little window, and here we have this desktop icons. So here we have this computer. Okay, so you just need to check that. Okay, and click on this apply, and then okay, and just close this window. And guys, you can see that this PC over here. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily get back this PC desktop icon. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it.